There's a strange phenomenon called the spiral of death, where ants will literally walk in circles until they die. Most ants navigate by following pheromone trails left behind by other ants. But when army ants lose this trail, they begin to follow the ant in front of them, causing a huge ant spiral to form. And most of the time, they'll continue to walk in this circle until they drop dead. This liquid is so thick it can literally pour itself. They are known as viscoelastic fluids, but the actual act of what you're seeing happening is called the open channel siphon effect. This gate is designed for houses that have uphill driveways. These glasses use a reverse polarized lens to block out any LED or LCD screen you look at. The idea is to encourage people to disconnect to reconnect by simply putting on a pair of glasses. Imagine walking down the street and not seeing a single LED billboard advertisement, or actually talking to someone at a bar without being distracted by like 20 TVs surrounding you. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to us if you want more things that exist. We'll see you next time.